Love everyone, but guard your peace first. That's what day 21 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is all about. Learning how love and protection can coexist. If this journey inspires you, consider following and comment Jai Hanuman below. Let's grow through this together. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You are the guardian at Rama's divine doors, and no one can enter without your permission. It sounds like a simple image, Hanuman standing guard protecting the gates of Rama's door. But look deeper. It's not just about a temple, it's about you. Because every person, every energy that enters your life comes through the doorway of your attention. And Hanuman reminds us guard it with devotion, not with walls. Let me tell you a real story. In 2019, a young social worker named Ananya from Pune was known for her tireless work, helping children, raising funds, changing lives. But one day she fainted at work. Doctors diagnosed her with severe burnout, extreme stress, and emotional fatigue. When asked what happened, she said, I forgot to protect myself while trying to protect everyone else. After months of recovery, Arinya returned, but this time differently. She worked fewer hours, took care of her body, and began teaching volunteers about emotional boundaries. In one interview, she even said, I still serve people, but now I serve from fullness, not emptiness. That line went viral because it was real. We all live like that sometimes, loving till we lose a balance, serving till we forget the self, and that's what Hanuman reminds us. Service isn't slavery, it's sacred, a sacred thing that must be guarded. Now let's come back to Tulsidas. When he wrote this verse, he wasn't describing a soldier, he was describing awareness at the soul's door. Hanuman isn't blocking entry, he is blessing it. But he decides what gets in. Rama's adopt symbolizes the divine mind, peace, devotion, faith. Hanuman stands there allowing only with alliance with the vibration. So when Tulsidas calls him the guardian of Rama's door, he is really saying, let Hanuman guard your heart. Let him be the one who filters your fear, who stops your anger, who protects your faith from noise and negativity. Because peace isn't lost, it's leaked. And Hanuman teaches us how to seal that leaks. Here is your reflection for today. You can love everyone, but not everyone should have access to your peace. It's not selfish to guard your heart, it's sacred. When you protect your inner space, you serve better, you love cleaner, you live lighter. So the next time you feel guilty of saying no, remember, even Hanuman guards a gate, not out of rejection, but reverence. Now say it slowly with me like a prayer that reminds you to protect your peace. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे. Let this line settle in your breath. It's not just about protection, it's about permission, what you allow and what you no longer do. Tomorrow, day 22, we will explore how Hanuman's protection becomes guidance, how faith leads us through confusion, and how grace opens door that strength cannot. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one peace worth protecting.